My name is Diamo Dokhanian. I'm one of the attorneys here at Century Park Law Group. I wanted to document my experience going up north to Stockton, California to conduct some depositions for a few of our cases. With two of our cases, we had some clients who had some difficulty with technology, and their cases were just standing still and not having any movement through this pandemic. So what I did was take matters into my own hands. I took my mask and my hand sanitizer and I packed my bags and I went up north so that we can do the depositions in person. This is late night depo prep, night one. Part of my week-long trip to Stockton, California. We got a bunch of depots to take during quarantine, so let's go. For tonight, I've laid my exhibits out in order. Gonna review it one time in the morning and pack up and head out toward deposition. Now, of course, this pandemic has been difficult for all of us because it's unprecedented, and I was a bit nervous. My family, my friends were all a bit nervous, but we made sure to follow all CDC guidelines. We spoke, me and defense counsel, ahead of time and agreed to wear masks and stay separated as much as possible from each other during the depositions, and of course take as many breaks as possible so that we can go outside, get some fresh air, and then reconvene and conduct the depots. We just finished the depo of the PMK for the policies and procedures of the supermarket where our client fell. He was giving us a lot of evasive answers, so the deposition took longer than expected, but we took a bunch of breaks so that we can get some fresh air. We were all masked, so it made it somewhat difficult to breathe, but we got through it. We were all masked, me, the court reporter, the deponent, defense counsel. We stayed 6 feet apart in the conference room. Upon my arrival, it was really interesting to see how much things have changed because of this pandemic, especially in our industry, when we're so used to doing depositions and hearings and mediations in person. But it was also nice to see everybody, the court reporter, defense counsel, me, and of course our clients, be so respectful of each other and our health and following all the guidelines so that we ensure that we don't contract or spread the virus. Done with Depo 1 of 2 for the day. We just finished with the PMK of the policies and procedures for this grocery store. He was giving us a lot of evasive answers, but I cornered him to getting us answers that we needed, so that was good for us. We're all masked up, me, court reporter, defense counsel, deponent, so it's tough, but it's doable, and let's go on for round 2. Just finished Depo 2 of day 1. As you can see, the mask has left a little mark on my nose, but overall it was a really good day. We got them to admit some pretty good stuff for our client and the incident. Even though it took a while to get out of them, I'm pretty happy with the results. So that's it for today. We'll circle back tomorrow and see how tomorrow's depots go. Now, of course, anytime you step out of your house, you're putting yourself at risk, and I understood that when I went up north to Stockton to do these depositions. So immediately upon my arrival back to LA, I went and got a test to ensure that I was safe and healthy. It's Saturday morning. We had a long drive yesterday. It took about 6 hours to get back, so I was exhausted. But first thing I'm doing this morning is heading to Brentview Urgent Care. They have a good system where you can go and call them and schedule a COVID test. So I called them. I had a Zoom consultation with the doctor, and now I'm heading to the facility. What? Put it up? Oh, yeah. Alright. So we gotta open this. Comes with a Q-tip. Gotta put it up my nose. And we got a little canister. Open it. Snap this.
that. Put this Q-tip in like that. Close it up. And then
There you go, dump it right inside. Try not to touch the outside, alright?
Alright.
Perfect, alright? So that's
Alright, man.
You like maybe like 1 to 3 days, right?
1 to 3 days. Perfect. Thank you.
So I got back on Friday night, and on Saturday morning, first thing I did was get up and I went to Brentview Medical in Brentwood to go get a COVID test, and I got my results yesterday morning.
Diamo, this is Diana calling from Brentview Medical. We have your COVID test result and it is negative. If you have any...
So there it is. So the purpose of this video is to explain how times are changing, and with that, we're forced to adapt as well. I'm lucky enough to work for Century Park Law Group, a firm that has stayed paperless even before this pandemic and has made it so easy and accessible for me to access my files and my team members. Again, my name is Diamo Dokhanian, attorney at Century Park Law Group. Thanks for watching.